Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about reverse the given string. So this is our given string str is equal to Harry and we want output will be like this. YRRAH like this. So basically we have to reverse the given string. So this looks similar to the palindrome string where we have to check whether the given string is palindrome string or not. But we are not doing the same. The logic is same like that of the code that I have explained earlier. But we are just reversing the any given string and we are not checking whether it's palindrome or not. Reverse string is equal to empty. This is what we have initialized. We have kept it as empty initially. Okay, so this is one of the important for loop here. It starts with integer I is equal to 0, I less than str. This is a string dot length semicolon I plus plus. Okay, so this loop will execute from 0 to this length of the string. So currently it's 5, so I will start from 0 to I less than 5. Okay, so then inside this for loop we have two lines of code. So let's understand. For the first line, character ch is equal to str dot caret I. So what we are doing here is string is this string dot caret I. What it means, caret I basically it gives the character for the specific index. So for the very first iteration I value is 0, right? So we will get the 0th index character. So here h is the character for the very first iteration, so ch value will be h. So reverse string is empty. Initially is it's empty, right? So ch is h and plus reverse string is empty, so reverse string value will become h plus empty is equal to like h like this. Then for the second iteration, ch value for the caret 1 will become a, right? So ch value is a, reverse string is equal to a plus ch will become ah. For the third iteration, I value will be 2, then we will get character as r, then r plus ah will become rah. For the third iteration, I value will be 3 and then caret 3 will become as r. Again it will become r plus rah will become rrah. Then for the next iteration, I value will be 4 and we will get a character as y, ch character as y. Then reverse string will be y plus rrah will become yrrah. So this will be our final output. Let's execute, and in the last line system.out.println reverse string, so we will print the reversed string. So let's execute the code and check whether it prints correctly. Yes, we are getting correctly a reversed of the given string. So let's change it to something else as a John. It should print now NHOJ. Okay, yeah, it's working for all the things. Yeah, that is it. Thank you. Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about how to print the reverse given string. So basically I'm using Java language. I have created one class given a reverse given string, and inside this class we are having this main method, and our the ultimate aim of this video will be to print this given string I am software engineer in the reverse order. What it mean by reverse order? So we have to print first engineer, then software, then am, then I. So that is our expected output. So how to do that? So I will explain that in this video. So first of all, what we have done is we have taken string array is equal to str dot split method. We are using str dot split to split the given string in the array elements. So when we use this method str dot split, our array will look like this. String array will look like this. I am software engineer. So these are the 4 elements inside this array. So now what our aim is to print this engineer first, then software, then am I, right? So let's find out the array length. System.out.println array length will be array.length, right? So currently array length will become 4 because there are 4 elements, right? So as array follows indexing, so what we do is we will use one for loop here which will start from integer I is equal to array dot length, which is 4 minus 1, because array follows from indexing, it will work from 0 1 2 3, right? So because that's why we have taken array dot length minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus, and what we are doing is we are printing array of I. System.out.print, and we are using array of I here. Okay, so for the very first iteration I value will be 4 minus 1, which is 3. So on the third position we have engineer, right? So it will print the engineer. Then using plus concatenation and this space, it will for the next iteration it will print on the very second index we have software, so it will print software. Then for the next iteration I value will become 1, and on the first index we have am, then it will print am, and then the on the very zeroth index it's I, right? So it will print I. So let's execute the code and check whether we have written code correctly, and it should print yes. Array length is 4 and engineer software am I. It is printing given string in the reverse order. Yeah, that is it. That's how we can print the given string in the reverse order. Yeah, that is it. Thank you. Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about how to reverse each word from the given string. So for example, this is our given string sun, moon, earth, and we want output to be like this: sun, NUS, and double OM, HTRAE. So we have to reverse each word like this. We have to reverse moon like this, sun like this. So this is our final output, and we have to print this, and we have to write the code to print this particular output every time. So basically I'm using Java language. I have created one class reverse each word string, and inside this class we are having this main method, and we have written code inside this main method. So this is our string str is equal to sun, moon, and earth. And what we have done is we have taken one string array, and we are using str.split method to split the given string word by word, like using space. So our final array will look like this: sun, moon, and earth. So these are the three elements strings present inside this array, string array. Okay, then we have taken one variable reverse string. So because we have to reverse each word, so that's the reason we have taken just assigned, we have not initialized it, we have just taken a string reverse string. Now we will use this for loop. So this is one of the important for loop. This is for each loop we are using string value colon array. So this is our array, right? So for each iteration we will get one by one word. So for the very first iteration we will get sun, right? So sun is the very first string. Then we have taken reverse string is equal to empty, so we have initialized it as a empty. So our reverse string is now empty. Okay, then we have another for loop here. So this for loop starts from integer I is equal to 0, I less than value means the value is sun, right? For the very first iteration, sun dot length, so the sun length is 3, right? I plus plus. So this loop will execute from 0 to I less than value of the length, this sun length or moon length or earth length. So it depends on the value, the current value, right? It will change for each iteration. So currently it's 3 because it's a sun. Okay, so now for the very first iteration we will get value dot caret I, which means sun uh, for the very first index, that is 0th index, which is yes, right? Okay, so we got character ch as yes for the very first iteration. Okay, so now reverse string is equal to ch plus reverse string. So initially reverse string is empty, ch is yes, and reverse string is empty, so which becomes yes, only yes we got here. Now reverse string value will become yes, right? So for the second iteration I value will increase from 0 to 1. On the very first index we have u in this word, right? So ch value will be u, reverse string is equal to u plus s will become us, right? This is the us value for the reverse string for the second iteration. Now for the third iteration I value will increase from 1 to 2, and here we have n as the second index value, right? Index character, second index character is n, so ch will become n, and n plus us will become nus, like this. So reverse string will become nus. Now we are using system.out print reverse string plus we are giving space, so we have to print like this. This will be our final output, right? So we are printing reverse string, so we got reverse string as nus, we are giving space, so that this will be the space, and we are not using ln here so that it will print in the single line. Okay, again for the next iteration of this outer for loop, what will happen is reverse string value is initialized as a empty because we want to start again for the second string, that is moon, right? So again reverse string will become empty, and again for this loop will execute. Here now value is moon, value dot length will become 4 for this moon. So for the very first iteration the ch value will be m, right? So we got a reverse string as m plus empty, this is empty, so it will be m. For the second iteration it will be om, for the third iteration it will be oom, for the fourth iteration it will be n double om, right? So we will get this reverse string and it will print this. Again for the next iteration value will become earth, and here it will reverse one by one each character, and we will get earth as a in the reverse order. So this will be our final output. So let's execute the code and check whether we have written code correctly and whether we got the correct answer and all the words are in the reverse order. Yeah, this is how we can print the given string in the reverse order, each word in the reverse order. Yeah, that is it. Thank you. Discuss about palindrome string. What is palindrome string? So when we reverse the string, then that string becomes same as the original string, then that string is referred as a palindrome string. For example, like madam, madam, when we reverse these characters of this madam string, then that same string will become madam. Also for dad, when we reverse it like dad, it will become dad. So this kind of strings are referred as a palindrome string. When we reverse the string, then it will be same string. Okay, so now we have to write the code to find out whether the given string is a palindrome or not. So okay, so basically we are using Java language. We have created one class reverse string, and inside this class we are having this main method, and inside this main method we have written code. So we have taken string str is equal to madam. Str is a variable name, and this is madam is our string. Okay, and again we have taken another variable string reverse string revstr, and we have kept it as empty initially. So when after reversing we will store this, after reversing we will store that string inside this reverse string. Okay, now this is important for loop. We are reversing the given string. Okay, here integer I is equal to 0, I less than str dot length. So the length of the given string, that is madam here, so I plus plus. So this string will execute from 0 to str dot length, from 0 to 5 here. Okay, so character ch is equal to str dot char I. So for each iteration the value of I will change from 0 to 5, 0 to 4 here, because I is less than 5, so it will work from 0 to 4. Okay, so for each iteration value of ch will be, so for the very first iteration the I value is 0, right? So str is this string dot caret is a method which gives us character for this specific index. So for the first iteration the index value is 0, so we will get this yum. For the very first iteration the ch value will be yum. Okay, now reverse string initially is empty, so this is empty. Ch is yum we got here, and reverse string is empty. So the value of reverse string will become as a yum, because this is empty, so it's only ch. So this is a yum for the first iteration. For the next iteration I value will be 1. Now for 1 we have a, right? Str dot caret 1 will become a, so value of ch will be a here, and a reverse string is equal to a plus reverse string. So for the last iteration we got reverse string as yum. Now a plus yum will become am, so this will be the am value of reverse string. Okay, for the next iteration I value will be 2, so when I value will be 2 ch will be d, because here we get d, ch will become d, so d plus am will become dam dam. Okay, for the next iteration I value will be 3 and ch value will be a, so this is a, right? Then reverse string is equal to a plus dam will become adam, like this reverse string value will become adam. For the next iteration I value will be 4 and ch will become m. which is the last character m, right? Then reverse string is equal to m plus Adam will become madam. So finally reversing value will become madam. Okay, now after all these iterations, we will check in the if condition str dot. So this is the original string str dot. Using equals method, we are checking the reverse string here, whether str dot equals reverse string. If this is if this condition satisfies, that means the given string is equal to the reverse string, and which means the given string is a palindrome string. So we will print here system.out.print str plus is a palindrome string. Else, in the else statement, we have printed system.out.print str is not a palindrome string. Okay, so for the current example, it's a palindrome string. So let's execute the code and check whether it prints yes, madam is a palindrome string. Now let's change from madam to, let's make it as a ma'am, mm. Okay, again it's a palindrome string, so ma'am is a palindrome string. Okay, now let's make it as a something moon. Okay, so now moon is not a palindrome string, so it should print yes, moon is not a palindrome string, because here n o o m, so which is not making as a reverse string is not equal to the string, right? So yeah, so this is how we can find the palindrome string using this code. So this is a very simple code. We have to just use one for loop and if else condition to find out this whether the given string is palindrome or not. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.